welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this little brush haul. Yes, I got some brushes from SYLYNE and SYWINAS off AliExpress. I got some sponges too. So this is going to be my little brush haul. I just want to show you what I got, like show and tell kind of vibe. You know what I'm saying? Yes, so we're just gonna do that quickly so you can see, get an idea of what I have, and then I'm gonna film another video for you guys so that you can see one of the brushes. So I'm gonna film a video for each of the brushes from the set. Okay, so let's get into the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that, and don't forget to enter my giveaway, guys. Giveaway is still on. I'm going to be announcing the winner maybe tomorrow or Wednesday, so continue. Okay guys, so yes, so let's start first with the first brushes. These are the SYLYNE brushes. They are a 10-piece brush set, and I'll have the price to the right of your screen so you can see. And these are very nice, I would say. So far they don't have the name of the brushes on it. Let me just take them out quickly so you can see. I should have done that. Okay guys, so these are the brushes. Hope you can see them. Wonder if I can zoom in. So yes guys, these are the brushes. They're so nice, and they are blue, guys. A 10-piece, and you get an extra one like with a spoolie for free. So even though you don't get a spoolie with this set, guys, you don't get a spoolie with the set, you get a free spoolie and an angle brush with your purchase. So this is it, guys. I love this brush, foundation brush, perfect. And look at the handle. I'm gonna review the brushes, guys. I'm just showing you what they look like. I'm gonna review them individually, and you know, so it's a 10-piece brush set. Yes, and it has like a pencil kind of detail finish to it, so it's really nice. And then we have some SYLYNE brushes. This is a 12-piece SYLYNE brush set. It is a eye brush set, essential eye brush set. Yes, this is my, I was looking at this, I'm like, I don't have a brush like this. This can add your highlighter. See that? Yeah, I can't wait to really sit down and use these brushes. But these are the SYLYNE 12-piece 15-piece brush set. These are the eye set, and they're as long as my previous SYWINAS brushes. They're actually the same height as the SYWINAS brushes. Yeah, same height as the SYWINAS brushes. The only thing is this 15-piece brush set, it has a thicker handle, but it's the same height as the SYWINAS brush set, and also it's longer than the regular SYLYNE brush. You can see it's longer than the regular SYLYNE brush, but it's really nice. Can't wait to review these 15-piece brush set. I'll have the price and everything right there. It's perfect. And guys, the AliExpress sale is coming up, so guys, gear up. If you're really interested in buying brushes, I would definitely recommend SYLYNE and SYWINAS. Okay, so these guys are some rainbow brushes. I've never had rainbow brushes. I've never purchased them, mainly because, you know, I don't know, in my mind it's like a gimmick or whatever. They just look a little gimmicky sometimes. But guys, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. And they're long. Yeah. And they have like, the handles have these little grippy thingies. They have these little grippy thingies, so you know, if you're even dealing with a small brush, it has a nice little grip so you can do what you're doing, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but it's a nice brush. I can't wait to review this too. Hope it's not only pretty, I hope it actually works. I hope they actually work, but they're really nice and soft, so guys, I can't wait to use them. Okay, what other brush? Okay, so we have another brush set. This is a SYWINAS 18-piece brush set. Let me show you. Let me take off the brush guards. So they come with brush guards, guys. Yes, these are the SYWINAS brush set. I really love these brush sets. This particular set, it's just, the brushes are so luxe, like, you know, so luxurious. These are the Sywinas, and guys, they're heavy. This is the foundation brush. It's so fluffy and soft. Wow. Yeah, I can't wait to use them, guys. I'm gonna have a special individual review, and this brush also came with an extra angle brush and spoolie as a gift, even though you actually get a spoolie with it, and you get like 2 angle brushes. But guys, this is a set. These are the sets. Yes, I have like 4 sets of brushes. And then we also, Sywinas also has sponges. This is Sywinas. They have sponges. I opened this this thingy set already, and I was looking at the sponges and like, they're soft. They're soft. Yes, they're still they still feel a little bit like, they're not super soft, like maybe like, what should I say, like maybe like a beauty blender, but they're soft. Feel like, it feels like good quality. It doesn't feel like, where's my, like my Practic by Sigma brush sponge feels the exact same way. Yeah, so the brush by Practic by Sigma, yeah, it feels the same way, even though it's Sigma, Practic by Sigma, you know, it feels the same way. It feels nice. And then this is not wet, but it's like a little bit damp, because I was trying them out yesterday just to see how they are. Like, yeah, yes, this is nice. So I kind of wet this yesterday, but it's a little bit dry now. Just has a little bit of moisture in it, but this is what it would do. Then we have another brush sponge. This one is like cut at the top right here, so these can go under the eyes and so forth. As I said before, I kind of wet these too. Yeah, this is how it actually looks when it's dry, but when it's wet it gets really big. But I'll be using them in my other video, so you know, look out for that one. But this is Sywinas sponges. Yes guys, and these are the stuff that I got from AliExpress. SYLYNE. Actually, SYLYNE sent me these to just test them out and review, and to see if I like them or whether or not I like them. So I'm going to have like different videos for these brushes, guys. And guys, I am giving away a 5-piece brush set. 5 brushes. 5 sets of brushes. So if you really want to enter the giveaway, guys, I'm going to announce the winner for the previous giveaway that I had for the 10-piece brush set from SYLYNE. So please go and check it out. I'm going to announce the winner Wednesday. Yes, I'm going to announce the winner on Wednesday. So guys, if you want to find out who was the winner on Wednesday, you'll find out. Guys, just share, like, share, and tell your friends and your families to just, you know, go in the description, follow the instructions, and you can win brushes. Yes, I see. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing, guess what? We're going to be using I'm going to be using these palettes. Yes, I wanted